Hi, this is Ashish from Seven Sports. So today I will be giving you a brief description about Seven Sports, and then I will be walking through how coaches can register in Seven Sports and what are the services for them. So first of all, I will tell you what Seven Sports is all about. So Seven Sports is a sports aggregator. So we aggregate sports persons and audience and facilities, and there are varied features which Seven Sports gives, like event management. And facility management, equipment management. So it's an end-to-end sports aggregator. So today I will be telling you what coaches can do in Seven Sports. So basically, coaches can uh, coach the events which are already there in the Seven Sports ecosystem. There is an app, and you can log in into that app, and then you can press the coach button against the events which are already there. So this is one thing, and another thing is that coaches can create their own web presence. So coaches can create their own web pages, and each coach can have like about three web pages which they can create depending upon the sports they coach. Typically, freelancers coaches will create like 1 to 2 pages, and so this is how it works. The pages of the coaches will appear in our institute's screen. Okay, if you can go here, and you can find a lot of uh, coaches who have already created their pages. So these are already pages which coaches have created, and let us look at one of the pages. So this is the page which was created by one of the coach. So it gives a complete uh, hero screen where it sets up the background of the photos, which the layout, and then the institutes information like about us, leaders message, etc. Then you can also add any products which you are selling or any services which you are giving, and there is a contact us form. So this is all what you get by registering into Seven Sports. You can register through an app. So on the left hand side there is an app, and on the right hand side is your web presence. So once you register into app, you can register an institute, and that institute actually shows up in the web page. So I will just quickly go through the process, and we will just create a new web page for the institute. First, we will try to register, and then we will go through the complete process. So if you register in Seven Sports, you automatically have web presence. Then you automatically can search for the events which are nearby you, and then you can have opportunities to coach, and and you can earn a monthly income. So right now we are giving like 90 days free trial, and for the new members, and this may change, but yeah, I'll just go through the registration process first. So first you have to go to the Seven Sports app, which is here, and from here, if you don't have a login, you can go to this don't have an account page and click the coach. There are multiple roles, as I told. Sportsmen can register, then equipment managers, facility managers, we have event managers also. So you can register as a coach. You just fill up this form, and then you get an email, and in that email you can press the link, and that's it. I already have registered, so I will just quickly log in. Okay, so once you get login, here is the dashboard where you will be seeing your uh, like these are the events which you are attending means you're not coaching them. So coaching events are, these are the events where you are. So currently you're not at coaching. You can explore now. Right now no event near you, so that's okay. But whenever an event is uh, posted, that event, if it is near you, you can search it from here, and you can press an attend button from there. I'll quickly go to how you can register yourself. Okay, once you register, your username and other information is already registered, which comes up in this page also like this. If you have an image, the image will come. But apart from that, you can also put your institute information, right? So today I will be going through how you can add your institute information. So just click this institute page. Okay, and so this account has already created a couple of pages. Okay, and if you see this ABC Institute, right? This is the ABC Institute. So you register from the web page builder in the app, and the result you get in the Seven Sports website as a landing page of your sports institute. So I'll quickly create another new one. Okay, so let us create a new one. Let us give it some name. Okay, let us give it some name like Apex Academy of Sports. This code is nothing but you can just put some numbers. This is just for the search purposes. Okay, and since I don't have time, I'll just uh, bring in some information about, let us say, description. So I just put copy paste in somewhere what it is, and your homepage URL, I'm just putting it as google.com. But if you already have a homepage, you can put, then if you have a domain, right? So suppose you have a domain like apex.com, you can add that domain, and this is only for the professional uh, plan. Okay, we have a pro plan. For the pro plan, users can actually link their domain to the web page which they would be creating. Okay, then here you can put your email address. Okay, info at, okay, and then year of establishment, I'm just putting it like nothing, just for a dummy, just I want to show this to you. Then sports coach, you can put something like a comma separated list like PT or badminton. Then about content, I'll just take something from the web and just copy and paste from there, so that I can just quickly show you. Have just put institute information. Yeah, you can put your institute information, when it was built, or right. Then let us just do the how many. Suppose you have some faculty members who are coaching, you can put that information and leaders message. So I just put some data here, message. Okay, and then we'll go to the number of students you already have enrolled, so that people know, and just put an address, something. Okay, anything is okay. Your correct one is preferred, because that is where the people will. So this address and all would all everything would be listed on the web page. So be careful that you put the correct details here. Okay. Okay, that's it. And this location is very important. So if you see in the web page also, in the downside there is a view location. This will open to the location which you set here. So if you use your current location, so in your web page, people can just go to your location. You can actually just go like this in your web page. So just note down that address and your email, etc. That information should be perfectly okay. Otherwise, your page will not be created properly. And then that's it. You just press the create button, and your institute will be created. See, you got the success message, so the institute is created. Right? Now, how to see this institute? Let us go to the institute's overall menu. Actually, you can go from here also. You just, so just a second. Where is the institute? So we created this institute app page, right? So you can directly just link from here, okay, and go to the page uh, from this app also. See, this Apex of Academy institute name, this already got created, right? So let me just show this to you. Okay, so this is your institute. This is just we created. So this is a very bland page. Nothing is there in it, right? It's just no images. Nothing is there. Just about us message and all, right? What you can do is now you can start putting your images here. So you just press this pencil button, add, and here are the images which you can add. Okay, so these are the images which you can add, and those images will be showing here. So I will just quickly give you what kind of images you can add. So let us first add an image like Let us put a logo image. I'm just putting a logo here. Okay, just a second. It's not dropping. Just a second. Let me find some logo image. Okay, let's put this. Okay, and when you go into the images, there are two categories of images. One is a static image and one is a dynamic image. Static images are the images like logo image. The number one image is the hero image, which comes on the front page, and then you have a logo, which is a small icon. Then there is a banner image. Banner image is something which comes just after the hero image. So, and also banner image can also serve as a section divider. So if you know these are all the sections about a leader's message. So if you put a banner image and tie it to a section, so that banner image will come as a section divider for this section, right? So these are the banner images. So I was just putting the logo image, right? So I will put that. There is also another category which is dynamic images. So dynamic images are not the static images, but they depend on what kind of products and services you have. So dynamic images can be like, you can put images of your products, services, features, or some illustrations. Like suppose you are a coaching academy and you want to show something which is kind of illustration, like some handmade sketches or something which you want to, so you can put that. So everything which is in the dynamic images, that will come just under this static section, so before contact us form. So these images will come, and you can also for the dynamic images, you can also put the styling in which that image. So you can put, so those images will come as a slideshow, gallery, or grid, carousel. There are many options in which the layout you can define, right? And for each of these images, you can put a image description. Like suppose you have a product, so you can tell what is the product and the content also, so that they understand what product you have, right? And this image description and image content is not only for the product, but also not only for the dynamic images, but also for the static images. So right now I am just putting a logo. So let us just put a logo. I have already uploaded it, and then we will just put some logo, banners, some products and services images. So logo and banner we will go through the general images, the static images, and the product and services we will add to the dynamic images, and we just add it, right? Let us just add it. The moment it gets added, let me just see the logo has already come here, right? So this is how the web page builder builds. Okay, now what you can do, let us add some more images. So let us give some uh, let us give some like white banner to it, right? So that, or yeah, let us give some white banner to it, or let us give it a hero image. Okay, this is a hero image. So hero image is also part of the static images. Okay, and here you can put the hero image is the top image, so you can put my sports or whatever. Like this is a tagline, you can put a tagline, and then you can explain about your academy. So like you provide okay, so just put anything, just be careful that you put it as hero image, and that's it. Just add it. It will take some time. Okay, it's already added. Let's see. Oh, see. So like your hero image has already come. You can add your banners. Okay, similarly. I will not go into details, too much of the details, but you can add some banners also. Uh, like a white banner. Okay, and this banner where you want to come. So if you can select a section where you want to tie this banner. So suppose I want this banner to come just under about us content. So just add it and just press the add image. It's already added, and I'll just refresh the page to see. So just under, I mean above the section where you want to put it as a divider, so it just came over the about us page, right? So this is how you can add banners. This is all about, so you can actually add a lot of things, like you can add like background images also, and you can make a complete end-to-end page. Let us add some more images here. Let us add some background image. Okay, yeah, this is a background. Okay, if I add a background, I can add a background to a section also, and I can add a background to a complete page also. So not, see, I have come here as a background, and then I can add a background to it. And I am not adding the background to any section, I am just adding the background to the whole page. So that's it, already added. Here we are. So you can see the background of the home page. So now you can see the meaning, like how the look and feel of the page changes. And you can add some more things here, like suppose you want to add some faces, okay, and you want to add these faces or some more images to some section. Let us say you want to add to this leader's message. So suppose you just want to show that this person is the leader, and you just tag it to uh, this thumbnail image to the leader and just add it. So I'll just quickly refresh this and see, just under the leader image, leader's message, the images come. So this is all about the static images. You can just try and see uh, some interesting things which you can do from here. Then I will go to the dynamic images. Okay, so dynamic images, let us press this dynamic button, and if you go to the dynamic images, suppose you have some services, like you give table tennis, badminton, and coaching, and some other things. So just you can mention those services, suppose TD. Okay, and you can just write table tennis for junior kids or something. Okay, whatever, I am just writing anything in the interest of time. And this is the render style which I told you. So suppose you want to show it in a kind of gallery. Okay, just add it as a gallery. Just remember that you have added it as a gallery, so that other services also you can lay out in a gallery. So see, this table tennis has come under your services. So services were the dynamic images. So you can put dynamic images in those categories, and those images will come here. Let us add a couple of more dynamic images here quickly. Let us add, like, suppose you also do badminton services, badminton coaching. You can put some badminton coaching. So I'll go to the dynamic and I'll search for the services, and I'll show it in the gallery. So once you do that, yep, it's already got added. So see here in the services, now you can showcase. So this is how you can showcase your services. You can just showcase any amount of stuff. Similar, so anything which is dynamic comes just after, just before the contact us form. So like dynamics are the services, products, illustrations, okay, and some other fields are also there, right? This is a simple edit button. You can, this is a delete dustbin button. You can delete edit from here. There are some specialized images also, which are the staff images also. Actually, staff images you can put from the dynamic images also, and additionally you can put, so suppose you just want to put information about, you have some people who are working for you, so you can just showcase if there are some other coaches also who are working for you, so you can just add their images also, and it will show under your staff image. So this is your our team, and this will come as a gallery. So people know who are the people working. So see how simple it is. Just in a span of like 20 to 25 minutes, I showed you how you can create your own website simply by this web page builder tool. Okay, do register. We have a 90 days free trial for coaches, and these offers keep on coming. So it is not that this is only for 90 days. There are a lot of offers. Register and make use of this opportunity. And this is once you join this is complete ecosystem. So it is not only like you just create your web pages, you get connected to a lot of sport person, you can get connected to a lot of facilities, you can get connected to a lot of sports person, and so which are of your own community. So you can build your own community by registering here. So please register and take benefit. Okay, thank you.